Hi, I'm Lydia from BlindsbyPost, and in this video I'm going to show you how to measure for our perfect fit shutters. Before you start, ensure you have a metal tape measure for accuracy. You're measuring to the nearest millimetre, and you're double checking all of your measurements. Are your windows and doors suitable? Our perfect fit shutters are compatible with most UPVC and aluminium windows and doors, providing they are internally beaded and subject to clearance. Please note our perfect fit shutters are not compatible with sliding doors, bifold doors and sash windows due to them projecting up to 55mm, including the control tilt rod. Check for any obstructions in your window space, such as handles and vents. You must have a minimum of 25mm clearance around all sides. The rubber gasket must be on the inside of your window, as this is where your brackets will be installed. Top tip: carefully slide a credit card between the glass and the rubber gasket. If the card cannot be installed to a depth of at least 10mm, then perfect fit shutters are not suitable. To measure, you must measure each window pane separately. Start off by measuring the width, frame to frame, in 3 separate places, ensuring to send us the smallest measurement. Next, measure the drop frame to frame in 3 separate places, again ensuring to send us the smallest measurement. To measure your bead depth, simply place a credit card or something similar over the window frame. With the tape measure, measure from your pane of glass to your card. This is for your bracket size. Please note this product is only suitable from windows with a bead depth between 18mm and 30mm. If your bead depth is 32mm or more, or 17mm or less, it will not be compatible. In this case, please contact our team to discuss alternative options. When choosing your bracket size, if your measurement falls between 2 options, always select the smaller size. For example, if your bead depth is 21mm, choose the 20mm bracket. To measure for your window handle rebate, fully open your window handle so the base plate is clearly visible. Measure to the centre of the handle from the window frame. If the handle is at the bottom, measure from the left edge of the glass to the centre of the base plate. If the handle is on the left or right side, measure from the bottom of the glass to the centre of the base plate. If you have selected a bottom window handle location, an even number of panels is unavailable. This is because the handle rebate will conflict with the frame. Please note the tilt control rod must not be on the same side as the handle or the handle rebate, and doors do not require a handle rebate. And that's how easy it is to measure for your perfect fit shutters.